So I kind of bounced around. I'm on chapter 55, and religious music was actually alive and well in this time period. Although most of what was getting the press was very humanistic. Expressionism is a humanistic form. This lady, Lily Boulanger, in the book writes, they talk about her. Lily Boulanger. This is a piece that she won. She won an award for. It's called the Prix de Rome. Her name is spelled Boulanger, Boulanger, but she's French. Writing more in the Impressionism because she's French. Now, she would write more impressionistically. She's using a whole tone, which was a scale which very much used in impressionistic music. This is a religious piece. Yeah, it's Psalm 24, and she won it's a composition competition. Several big names. If you win that, I mean, the Prix de Rome is like, man, it's a big deal. She's the first woman to do it, and that's pretty huge, especially in this time. I mean, women were coming to their own, but in 1913, a woman composer. I mean, it's a man's world back then. Certainly, she killed it. She had a sister. Her name is Lily. Her sister was Nadia. Nadia Boulanger was a great music teacher. She actually taught some famous American composers, one of which we're going to get to shortly. His name is Aaron Copland. But Nadia Boulanger had her hand in helping a lot of great composers find their space. Man, and she was like, okay, no, you got to sound unique. And she really pushed guys to drive that way. So I use this example because it is kind of the essence of chapter 55, but the fact that things went very humanistically was not the whole story. In that era, humanistic stuff did not reign completely. There was still a lot of church music written, and this Psalm 24 was recognized, as a winner of this composition. So other composers were still writing a lot of great sacred music. We just don't have a lot of examples of that because there are so many giant non-sacred pieces, secular pieces from this era that we spend time on. So.